If a resistor with a current of 70 milliamps through it converts 450 joules of energy in 15 seconds, what is the voltage across the resistor? First, write everything whatever we have given. We have current 70 milliamps. Energy is equal 450 joules and time 15 seconds. We have to find the voltage. We have formula for voltage which says voltage is equal energy divided by charge. Also we have current formula which says current is equal charge over time. Why I put these two formulas on the board? Because first one is going to allow me to find voltage. Second one is going to help me to find the charge, because current and time are given. Current and time are given. From this formula I'm going to find the charge, and the value which I'm going to get from this formula I'm going to plug in into this formula, and I'm going to have my voltage. As I said, I'm going to start from the second formula, because first formula requires the charge. I is equal Q over T. I is given, T is given. I'm supposed to find Q. In order to find Q, I have to eliminate the fraction. I have to multiply always both sides equation by the denominator. T and T will cancel out. And I'm going to have Q equals T times I, where T is equal 15 seconds. Current is equal 70 milliamps. Multiply them together and we are going to get 1.05 coulombs. This is the charge. Next, I'm supposed to use this charge to find the voltage. Voltage is equal energy over charge. This is the formula for voltage. Energy is given. Is equal 450 joules over the charge, which is equal 1.05 coulombs. 450 joules divided by 1.05 coulombs is equal 428.57 volts. And this is the solution to my problem.